So let's say you want to go ahead and add in some images for display in your form in Jotform. So for that, you can go ahead and utilize something called the Image Slider Widget. So to do that, you can go ahead and click on Add Element, and then over here under Widget, you can go around over here onto the image slider right here. So I'm just going to go around over here, and you can see the Image Slider Widget right here. Go ahead and click, and then what you can do right here is you can go ahead and choose images. Choose from the images that you have right here, enter the URL of the images, or upload out the images. So let me just go ahead and upload out the 4 images that I have in my desktop right here, and they get added in just like this. And they are in slide mode right now. So the slider speed is 1000. So you can see that 1000 millisecond is 1 second. So you can go ahead and change the speed according to how you want. You can even enable autoplay right here, and autoplay in turbo. You can go ahead and change it to how you want as well. So as you do that, you will be able to see like how it slides right here. You can hide the controls so that people who are using the form won't be able to see the previous next and so forth. But if you were to enable it, they will be able to see the button to control it out. You can even enable fade mode so that instead of sliding, the picture fade from one another. But let me just go ahead and choose slide in my case. You can even add custom CSS if you want to right here. If I were to go to the properties now, you can see that I can go ahead and align it out to the left and center and so forth right here as I want right here. I don't have much space, so you don't have much. But anyways, if I were to go around onto the label, you can see that I can go ahead and say something like image gallery right here. On the top, I can go around and align it to the right or left right here as I want right here. You can even change around the width and height. So let's say, for example, I can go ahead and change the width and height of this particular, let's say, for example, image slider as well. And in advanced, you can change the widget name. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and say gallery right here. Field name, I can go ahead and change it out to how I like. I can shrink it out so that I can add in 2 more elements right here as well. But let me just go around over here and duplicate. You can see that it stays on the same place as I do that, and I can move it to new line if I want to as well, or even hide this field temporarily without deleting it so that the ones who fill up the forms won't see it. And if you want to see the field details, you can see it right here and see the unique name in a coding level for that particular field as well. But let me just go ahead and delete this particular duplicate field, select this out, go to properties, and then I'm going to go ahead and then disable the string. And if I were to go ahead and preview out the form now right here, this is what I have. If I were to go around over here, you can see that this is what you have. Go around over here, you can see that I can move this left and right here as I want, and then you see the gallery right here just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the image slider widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.